Drilling programming is a repetitive task that can generate costly mistakes. Are we sure all drills have been detected? Are they going to be machined in the most efficient way? Would you like to dramatically reduce programming times? You can now automate the drilling process in PowerMill with Bezzier Hole Manager. Program drills in the safest, fastest and most efficient way. Automatically remove chamfers and conical tips. Sort them out by different criteria. Rename them according to type or direction. Join and simplify concentric holes to generate gun drills if necessary. In 3 simple steps, classify, analyze and generate drill sets ready to be machined. And achieve time savings of up to 80%.